The Canada goose is a common cottage foe, and they'll poop anywhere they darn well please, in the lake or, more commonly, all over your property. If you're seeing geese around your cottage or you're seeing their poop, that's probably because you have the conditions that they like. Do you have a lawn, for example? That is a very inviting spot for geese to roost. From there, it's easy for them to get in and out of the water. They can see predators coming, and they're grazers, so your grass offers them a nice, tasty buffet to feed on. There are ways to make your property less attractive to geese. You could try scaring them with something like an owl decoy, or blocking off your shoreline to prevent them from coming on land. But keep in mind, as with most critter proofing, deterrents only work until the geese realize they can simply ignore them. The solution? Do less. Let your grass grow and your shoreline naturalize. Longer grass acts as a natural barrier, and it's coarse and fibrous, so it's not as palatable to the geese. And not only does that give you more time to relax, but a strip of native plants and shrubs has a whole host of benefits. It will make your shoreline more resistant to erosion and flooding, and you could make a home for more welcome wildlife species such as painted turtles and young pike and bass.